Reactivate muted story. Hey guys, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, learn to reactivate muted stories and posts. I'll show you two step-by-step methods to learn. So let's get started, folks. I'm going to open Instagram here. First method, tap the three lines, scroll down to muted accounts. The account you muted will appear here. Just tap Reactivate here. I only muted stories, so I'll just uncheck this option. The other method is quicker. What do? Find the story you muted at the end. Tap the muted story, hit three dots, then Reactivate story. Important, go to their profile, tap Following, then Mute. Check if posts, stories, or notes are muted. If so, just uncheck those options. Did you manage it, guys? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.